To dim your wallpaper automatically in dark mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap wallpaper and style. Now tap the crayon offset next to dim wallpaper when dark mode is on until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, go to your home screen or lock screen and then enable dark mode on your phone. As you can see, your wallpaper will now dim automatically when dark mode is on. Given to the function, enabling the dim wallpaper features make your screen easier on the eyes in low light and improve overall visibility. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your experience while using your phone at night or in low light environment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.